Ooh.
Did it work?
Do you want the pan?
I was gonna say, here, take the pan. Is the pan gonna be under it a little bit more, or is it good? Okay. Right about there?
You gonna get knocked out, right?
Evidently.
There we go. We're good.
That is some black oil.
Ooh.
No.
Man.
Oh my gosh.
It's been a while.
Yeah. Oh. Nice.
Did you turn into like Black Spider-Man?
That's exactly what my dad.
Venom.
I was thinking Venom.
Exactly
I was
what the
thinking
oil
Venom.
looked like. Oh my god.
Venom.
Oh my gosh! Look at Harley's hand.
Driving it a
Man,
lot.
I want my hand to
Oh
get
my
dirty
god!
like
You see
that.
Harley's hand? Look like Spider-Man Venom.
Oh, there's a glove.
Are you recording, Kim?
There's a glove.
I'm still recording.
Jig touch. Yeah, today was the perfect time to oil change.
I drove it a lot since then.
Yeah, that's fair.
Oh look.
Probably like 10,
This is
15,000
crazy.
miles. Well, it's gonna be a while.
Yeah.
This
Oh,
one,
okay.
it don't have the bolt head. You gotta take the ratchet instead of a socket and put it like that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Does that make it easier?
Solo. I was kidding.
Okay.
You good, Jake?
Yeah, we good. I didn't know that's what we're doing. I thought.
Dropped it in the oil. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I mean, with that ratchet out of your head.
No, it's alright. It's fine.
You sound like you're dying, man.
Yeah, he is. I am
You
dying.
good over there?
Yeah, it's just
gonna
like
live?
that'd be funny if he like drops it like in the oil pan. There's like oil on the lid.
There we go. It's tight.
Make sure you don't smoke it.
Yep.
So how tight is too tight then?
Tight enough to where you
Basically,
can't.
just snug. Make sure it don't come off and make sure it's not too tight. You just gotta
That's fair.
guess.
Okay.
Get a feel for it, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Either that or you get real serious and get a torque wrench. Now, way up there. There it is, everybody.
Oh gosh.
Oh boy.
Happened before. Oh, that was so bad.
I guess so long as I don't drop the camera, we're good.
Yeah.
So there's the filter, as y'all see.
The only white thing on the truck.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you don't drop it.
I can see myself doing that.
Drops it.
Somebody go into the truck and get it.
Have someone under there and catch it
Yeah.
and get splattered with oil.
The whole engine just drops on the floor. I
Oh,
can
that's
imagine
really
that
hard to see.
happening. That'd be so bad. That would be really bad. I feel so bad. Like the oil pan was the only one that was keeping the truck together. Just that one little squirrel. No, stay on.
You got it?
Yep.
Ooh.
Well, it was white.
It was white.
Now it's black. But
Is that a Milwaukee marker? I figured.
now you just need to get Milwaukee filters.
Do they have them?
I have no idea.
Funnels or filters?
Funnels, that's what I meant to say.
Filters.
And the mileage.
Yep. And our funnel.
The funnel.
Harley's funnel, not yours.
I said the funnel.
Guys, I need to know.
Said
I need to
our
know.
We wrote the date on the filter.
Oh, shit.
Not really. And now we're pouring the oil into the filter.
Okay. Looks like olive oil. In your food. I'll be scarred to life now. Just like that.
We good?
I'm sure you can foil somebody. Fool somebody, just like drain the whole
Get oil
oil
on you.
and then like just
That's
put
fine.
it in a normal.
A little bit more.
Just a little tad more.
So where are you filling it?
Just a tiny bit more.
This is straight. Since it's straight, it can be
It's
a
like
little
honey.
bit
Yeah, it does.
Look like
there. It actually
honey.
does look like honey, I'm not gonna lie.
Take a spoonful of honey every day. Okay, Mom.
I'm sure Harley will.
Mom, we need honey at the store.
Right on there.
Take that and then.
Chug, 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 chug.
The new oil tastes like.
Oh. Excuse me.
Where?
We're good.
I'm crowded.
We're all crowded. Sky, there's a bunch more room over
Where?
there. Look, you see all them?
Oh, okay.
Without dropping it.
Maybe I should go under so that I can like.
Yeah, so you can get spilled.
Yeah, you get oil all over your face.
Well, maybe you get a better view.
Maybe.
You have like,
oil.
such a good view that you'll even
If
get
I can-
some on there.
Ooh, it's actually a really good view.
Okay.
Thread on there.
I'm trying really hard to get a good view.
I'm just trying to get it started. Yes.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay, All right. Hey, Harley, so someone's having trouble with their view.
It sounds like they're struggling.
What?
They're having a hard time starting their car.
Oh.
Oh, did they get it?
Oh,
There we go. No.
Nope.
Nope. Oh.
Now we're good.
And you counted by 4. I'm very proud of you.
Patrick?
Looks like caramel.
Yeah, looks like caramel syrup.
A little bit lighter.
Yeah, a little bit lighter.
What most other countries will use, the standard system of measurement is what we use.
Yeah.
So like 9/16 is what we, United States, most everyone else has a metric system. And so the metric system is based on
Metric too, like everything else.
Whoa.
So what would you recommend
Oh,
if
God.
people were to start out with just having some basic tools in their garage? What would you recommend? Just like a ratchet set or screwdriver or?
Ratchet set, screwdrivers, torque wrench, pry bars,
Okay.
rags,
Rags, and more rags?
funnels, oil filter wrenches,
I was gonna say the oil filter.
a jack stands, ramp.
Ramps. Check, and check.
What consists of a good socket?
Yeah, what's your suggestion?
That one has a big selection.
Okay.
It's a good brand, gear wrench, and there's also Craftsman. I never had many Milwaukee sockets.
Taco Bell.
Okay.
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell has the best oil
That's the best socket
No,
set I've ever
for
had.
cars.
Yeah. Just got a little jump right there. We can close that then. Thought I closed more than that.
You didn't close it all the way.
Perfect.
You have enough oil?
Mhm.
Very good.
You and I kind of match, Harley.
Yeah. Just need to tuck my shirt.
Oh, I just untucked mine.
So is that a wrap?
That's all I can think of.
All right.